beautiful babes, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. My name is Amber and I am your new bad bitch bestie, and I'm here to help you level the fuck up in your life, to help you make a fucking bag, to be financially free, to be confident. So if that's things that you want, welcome. Hit that subscribe button and dive into my channel. So this video is for my beautiful, lovely, amazing babes who want to become strippers. You've thought about it. You've done your research. You're here on YouTube looking into things, but you are a little scared. You're nervous. I don't know if I'm confident enough. I don't know if I have a nice enough body. I don't know what to say. I don't know how to dance on stage. Does that sound like you? Because I know that was me. When I first started, I did all the research, the YouTube videos, found documentaries, went to pole dancing classes, and I was still nervous as fuck. And I didn't do it. It took me 6 months or so to get the courage to actually give it a go. Maybe that's you. Maybe that's where you are right now. And I first want to congratulate you for being a bad bitch and actually taking the steps to do research. And I want to give you some love and some advice on how to overcome this nervousness and how to stop being scared and how to do the damn fucking thing. Are you ready? The biggest thing that I want to say to you, you do not need to be this most confident version of yourself in order to start. Yes, it helps if you are already confident in your body, in yourself, all of that. But you're a fucking beginner. Everyone starts off as a beginner. It's normal if you feel nervous. It's normal if you don't feel confident. Because confidence comes with practice. Confidence comes with experience. Confidence comes with doing the damn thing. And until you start doing the damn thing, you are not going to magically wake up and be like, I'm confident. Today is the day. I'm ready. No, it's just not gonna happen, right? So stop holding yourself back, right? I love giving all of you a loving kick in the ass, as I like to call it. And this one is, stop being a little bitch. Maybe it sounds harsh. I hope it doesn't, because it's with all the love. But stop being scared and holding yourself back. Because here's the thing. You want to become a stripper for a reason. There's a reason why you want this. What is that reason for you? What is your big why? Why do you want to be a stripper? Do you want to be cool? Do you want to shake your ass? Do you want to wear lingerie? No, I think there's a bigger reason. What is the real reason? The reason is possibly because you want something more in your life. You might hate your fucking 9 to 5. You might have a family to provide for. You might be a single parent. You might be stuck at home in a situation that you don't like. Right? You have big dreams. You want to be financially free. You want to stop working this fucking lame ass job where they don't appreciate you, where you're feeling burnt out and miserable every day. Maybe you want to start a business and you have dreams of just living your passions, but you don't have the time to put into that podcast or that business because you're too exhausted slaving away at your job. Maybe that's your real reason. And I think so many of us look at the aesthetics. Oh, being a stripper is cool. I want to make money. But that is not enough to get you over this fear of starting. I need you to think big. I need you to look at the reason why you want this. Because that is going to be that motivating factor that is going to get you to do the damn thing. Before I became a stripper, I was going to school full time. I was working 3 fucking jobs. I was 18, doing all of this, feeling miserable. I had school 4 days a week. I started one job at 3:30 in the morning. I finished at 9. I had class at 9:30. I finished at 4. I had work at 5. I finished at 10:30 to do it all again the next day. Plus, I had another job on the weekends as well. And I'm like, I'm literally 18, working 3 jobs, going to school, not having fun, not partying, not dating, just fucking working. This is not fun for me. What am I doing? That's where I was. And that feeling of being unhappy with my life is what got me to say, fuck this shit, I'm gonna be a stripper. I'm tired of struggling and working my ass off for fucking what? To make $2,000 a month? What am I doing? And the second that I started doing the research, and it took me some time, but there came a breaking point for me when my boss at my job literally went off on me in the middle of the restaurant in front of everybody. And I'm like, why am I doing this? You're mad at me because you told me the wrong table and I brought them their food, but it actually wasn't the right table because you told me? Like, why am I being abused to make fucking $10 an hour? What the fuck? And I was like, fuck this shit. I'm gonna audition and I'm going tomorrow. And I fucking did it. Was it nerve-wracking? Absolutely. But it was not nearly as bad as I thought. I was like, okay, the girls are actually really nice. Okay, the customers are actually really nice to me. This wasn't as bad as I thought. Yeah, stage was nervous, but like, I can get better. I can learn. And my 3rd day as a stripper, I'll never forget, it was a Monday night. I made $900. That was my whole paycheck for the month at that time. I had never in my life held $900 in cash from working 6 hours. I literally cried on my drive home because I was like, holy shit, my life is about to change right now. And my life has fucking changed tremendously. Right now, like, there's been so many evolutions of my life, but where I am right now, 6 years into the game, I'm living in Hawaii, literally 1 block from the beach, a 2-minute walk from the beach in Waikiki. I've got a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment, $3,000 a month, huge balcony. Me and my husband just bought a food truck. We're making like 10 grand a month from our food truck. That would not be possible if I was not a stripper. I would not be able to invest in my dreams, to start a business with my husband, to live where I want to live if I was not a stripper. And I am so glad that I had the balls and the courage to say, fuck it. I don't feel that confident. I feel terrified. I am nervous as fuck, but I am going to do it. I'm gonna move past it because I know that I'm not happy where I am and I know where I want to be. And I'm sharing my story just to inspire you, right? Yes, I'm a beautiful woman and I'm sure you are too, but I was not always this super confident version of myself. That came with time. That came with becoming a stripper and going to work and realizing my worth and realizing, holy shit, I'm a lot hotter than I thought I was. Oh my God, people would literally pay $500 just to be in a room with me and talk to me. Hot damn, I got something good going on. Okay, girl, like that. I was not always this way, but being a stripper helped me to become this person that I am today. So yes, I get it. You're scared, you're terrified, but you are gonna be okay. And your dream life is literally on the other end of you going to audition and doing the damn thing. Your first few weeks might be not that great. That's cool, but you're doing it. You will get better over time, but you are never going to improve unless you do the damn thing and unless you put yourself out there. So if you want financial freedom, if you want to live life for yourself, if you don't want to work a stupid 9 to 5, if you want to be able to go after your dreams and your passions and to travel and to have your own apartment and to have your own car and to be truly financially free, take the leap. Take that jump. Do it. What's the worst that happens? You suck on your first day? What's the worst that happens? You fall down the stairs? What's the worst that happens? You trip on stage? I mean, really, you are gonna be okay. You're gonna be a beginner. You're gonna feel awkward as fuck. You're gonna have weird conversations. You're not gonna know how to talk to people at first, but keep your eye on the prize and know what you are working for. You will not be a baby stripper forever. You will inevitably get better. It's just natural. It's gonna happen, but it will never happen unless you start. Okay? And if you are still super nervous about starting, which I totally understand, right? Totally get it. I made a masterclass. It's called 5K in 5 days, and it's really for my beginner strippers, for those who have never started. You don't know where to start. And I dive in. I tell you how to audition and get hired, what to wear, what to bring in your stripper bag, how a strip club works, how to ask for dances and to get tips, how to talk to customers. I talk a little bit about creating your stripper alter ego and the art of seduction. And this masterclass is really going to help you to make your first 5K as a stripper and to help you realize that it's a lot easier than you might think it is. And it doesn't have to be hard or scary or take a lot of time. So this masterclass is literally only $111, and I fucking guarantee you're gonna make your money back your first day, like dead ass. So it should be a no-brainer if you are serious about wanting to become a stripper. I really invite you to invest in this class. It is going to be so helpful for you. And once again, I love you. I'm here as your bad bitch bestie. So if you have questions, you're like, oh, help me with this, let me know in the comments. I'm always taking your requests and making videos. So please, I'm really here to serve and support you. I love you. You're gonna kill this. You got this. You are ready. You are ready for this. There's nothing to be scared of. I love you so much. Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I have a lot of fun, really fun and sexy and just hilarious content on Instagram. So give me a follow there. My Instagram is it's Amber the Baddie XO. I cannot wait to connect with you. If you do follow me on Instagram, send me a message. Say like, hey girl, I found you on YouTube. Say hi. Like what I really envision and want is for all of us to be friends, to have a community, to feel like we have genuine connections. I don't want to just be some random bitch that you see on a screen. Let's actually be friends. That's what I want. And if you want that too, send me a DM and subscribe. Send this video to some friends that maybe y'all want to start stripping together and you want some accountability buddies. I love you. You got this. And I will see you in the next video.